In a previous episode, we broke down a whole beef short loin. Now we are moving to the sirloin and a sub-primal cut here called the sirloin tip or peeled beef knuckle. And this one consists of, it's a big one, it's 5 kilos.
No, it looks small.
This one consists of 4 muscles that we're going to break down and put to good use. But first, we have to start getting off the silver skin here from the outside and the membrane. So sharp knife and start trimming. As mentioned before, this consists of 4 muscles. In the middle we have the big bullet muscle, and then we have the femur and the wedge muscle that we're going to have to separate. But if you see here, there is a line of silver skin, and that's where this muscle is attached to the bullet muscle. So we're gonna follow that silver skin and pull the meat away. So we separate it nice and clean. And use your fingers to pull it away. And stay as close as you can to the silver skin. It's impossible to go completely in the middle because it's very thin, but it separates almost by pulling. And there we have the bullet, which consists of 2 muscles we will separate after. And then we have these 2 babies here that we're going to separate. There is again another line of silver skin here that we're going to follow. And we have the small one here with quite a little bit of fat, but very nice meat inside. And then we're going to trim this off for all the fat and silver skin. And then we have a nice cut here for stews, to cut into cubes. I'll show you. These are nice and trimmed, and this is excellent for stews. Cube it up, and anything that slow cooks in a Dutch oven, it's like very, very good for that.
A bonbon.
A bonbon. Then we move on with the big boy here, which also consists of 2 muscles. If you see here, again, we have a line of silver skin here that you can see on the other side also. So we're going to follow that like we did before. Same procedure, try to follow it as closely as you can. This gets hard down here because that's where this is attached to the bone actually. So there you have these big fibers. And there we have one. We need to clean that silver skin off, and the other. And this will make for some good. I think we're going to cut this one into Braciole, one of the next episodes. But we still have a little bit of trimming here to get all these fibers and silver skin off. This is the yield from our production of today, and we have some nice cuts of beef here. These we're going to cube up and make a stew. It's an episode coming soon on that. And over here, I'm guessing that this one we will slice up and pound out to Braciole one of the days, I would assume. And I'm not sure with this one. We could cut it into steaks, or we could make it into minced meat, actually.
Yeah, it has very low fat, I
Yes.
can see, so it could be some nice
This is
lean meatballs.
Exactly. It's a lean cut of beef, but really, really tasty and good muscle, and so excellent for minced meat, actually. We could do that. That's an idea. apart from the fun of butchering things, which I love.
Okay, I'm officially worried right now.
Yeah, you should be. You should be. No, nice. But apart from the fun, this is actually also a question of economics, because here, when we buy a sub-primal or primal cut and break it down ourselves, we are getting premium Black Angus at about half the cost of buying it already cut from the butcher.
Yeah, because you pay the butcherman as well.
Of course.